Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use voice typing in Windows 10. So you can type using just your voice. First, just open any text field where you want to type. For example, you can open in Word, Notepad, or even your browser. And then just press Windows plus 8 on your keyboard. Just press Windows plus 8 like this. If this is your first time, you might see a pop-up asking you to enable speed service. Just turn it on like this, and then after that just press Windows plus 8 again, and then wait a few seconds for it to start. And once you see the listening like before, you're good to go. Just start speaking and Windows will type everything for you instantly like this. Just tap on microphone if the listening label has gone. Just tap on the microphone and then just start to speak, and your Windows will type everything for you instantly like this. As you can see, you got the sentence instantly like this. Next, you can even say punctuation mark like comma or period or even question mark. So that's it. Voice typing in Windows 10 is super useful for writing notes, emails, or when you just don't feel like typing on your PC. And okay, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!